A historic Louisvillian win.
Welcome to Lynn Family Stadium, where today a record-breaking crowd is on hand for a very special reason. Thunder over Louisville.
Every game and every practice, we've been chipping away. We gotta believe that stone is gonna split in half this game. And we gotta have belief in each other, believe that. It's gonna be a massive crowd, so let's enjoy it. Let's live in this moment. Let's make sure that Utah's first time coming here is gonna be the last time they want to come here.
Malay serving, Cano! Another goal! No one's doing it better in the league this year! Owl. Oh, that's a wide open run! Bar! Deflected, follow, hammered in! It's DeMello! DeMello waited 10 months for a goal. DeMello's got another today! Pickett serves, leading header! It's Turner! Sears. Oh, wow! Sears! A historic Louisvillian win. The first for Babinez.
Dubs, baby, dubs.